Inspector Nabbed Mzondo. I would like to confirm the sterling job that was done by Criminal Investigations Department, Mutare. Once again, they've done us proud by accounting for one male adult known as Clive Rutendo Chikotie, who is of no fixed abode, but is believed to be staying somewhere in Chikanga, where he is having no fixed abode, like I said earlier on. He was arrested for 3 cases of armed robbery, in which he was using the firearm that you saw on the video clip to actually rob people of their valuable properties. He is also nabbed for 9 counts of unlawful entry into premises where he stole various household utensils. The Zimbabwe Public Police Criminal Investigations Department, Mutare, they have managed to recover 10 television sets, smart televisions, one DVD player, 2 large speakers and small speakers, 7 gas tanks, 27 cell phones, and 1 drill. Our appeal to members of the public is that they must come to Mutare Central CID department in order to identify the recovered property, in case the recovered property is theirs. Our further appeal to members of the public is that whenever they are having their property, they must put some marks on those properties so that when we recover the properties as Zimbabwe Public Police, they will be able to positively identify the property and at the same time ensure that prosecution is enabled. Where there is an identification mark, the complainant is able to positively identify the property and prosecution will be enabled. Thank you.